How to use AI chat features in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can use AI chat features in your Messenger. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right into it. First step, locate your Messenger app. Then open it up. Make sure that the app that you're using is up to date to its latest version. So after you're on the Messenger app, you can find the Ask Meta AI on the search bar on the top. So what you want is the chat feature, not the search one. So you can head over to any group that you want. After you're on the group, you can then head over to the messages. You're on the messages, tap on the arrow and tap on the plus icon. Then you'll find the Meta AI option. You can tap on that. Then you can tap on continue. You can see what Meta AI does in the chat. You can bring the group together. You can generate fun images. You can just ask it for anything. Tap on continue. Then you can start asking it whatever you want. So I'll just tap on this default option. And there you can see it is now being generated. So let it do its thing. So while it does that, you can also ask Meta AI for different stuff. So you can tap on the slash icon like this. Then you'll find the Meta AI option. Tap on that. And now what you can do is you can ask it for what you want. So you can ask it about whatever you want. Tap on the send button and it will start giving you the reply. So there you can see that this is how you can use the AI chat feature in your Messenger. And yeah, that's basically it guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.